Algebra Lesson 11, Solving Systems of Equations by Addition and Elimination. So what we've done before is solving systems of equations by subtraction, or not subtraction, substitution. So that is where one of these terms has no number in front of it, no coefficient. And that works well with substitution. But if we have a coefficient there, then we can't use substitution. And that's where we use the addition and elimination method. So what we do is add these two together. So we'll just label them A and B again. Add them together. So start from the back. Negative 5 plus 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So, and then negative 3 plus 5 is 2y. And then 2 minus 2 is nothing. Now you can solve this. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals 3. Now, so you have your first coordinate here, or the second in the coordinate, which is y. Now we need to take a again. Always just take the first one. Take a and then substitute this y, plug that one into there. So 2x minus 3y equals negative 5. Instead of this y, put a 3 there. So 2x minus negative 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, so minus 9 equals negative 5. Add 9 to both sides. 2x equals negative 5 plus 9 is 4. 2 divided by 2, x equals 2. So now you have your coordinate, which is x first, which is 2, and whoop, there we go, 2, and our y is 3. There you go. So why does it work? Why do we have to do why can't we do substitution on this one and we have to do addition / elimination? It's because we have a coefficient on both of the variables, the x and the y. Now, with addition and elimination, you have to have, let's say, a 2 here and a negative 2 here. If these two were different, then these two would have to be the same. This would have to be this is a negative 3, then this would have to be a positive 3. The same base number, but it has to be with a negative, one negative and one a positive. That way they can be eliminated. We will be learning, I believe, in the next book, where they are not the same and we have to make them the same first, and then we can do this. So let's do number 1 together. All right, for number 1, label both of them with their labels, A and B, and then add them together again. So start from the back like we normally do in a regular addition. Negative 17 plus 7 is negative 10. And then these two cross each other out. It doesn't matter if the x is the same with an opposite symbol or it's the y. It's just one of them has to be. Now, so eliminate these two. And then 3 plus 7 is a positive 10x. Divide both sides by 10. X equals negative 1. Now, as we did in the example, take your a, which is 3x plus 2y equals negative 17. Plug this x into the x. 3 multiplied by negative 1 plus 2y equals negative 17. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus 2y equals negative 17. Now bring the negative 3 over to the other side, plus 3 plus 3. 2y equals 17, 16, 15, 14, negative 14. Divide both sides by 2, y equals negative 7. Our coordinate now is negative 1 and negative 7. That one comes from there, and this one comes from here. So go ahead and finish the rest on your own, and keep in mind that we will be doing something more difficult, adding another step in this to this new part, but just keep in mind that there must be something like this. Now the difference between this and the previous lesson, I believe we had it in lesson 4, is that we have a coefficient in front of both of them. And in lesson 4, we had the variable standing by itself, at least either in the y or the x. So go ahead and do the rest of the lesson on your own.